Hello there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and I hope you're having a FOXtastic day. I wanted to bring you another short video on a couple of tools that are in the arsenal at LeadsLeap to help build your business. But before I go on, let me just say this. If you're getting value from my videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video and click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I do my next video. Plus, it helps me out when you subscribe. So, everybody needs ways to try to find new leads, new sales into their business. Promoting is what it's all about. And one way to attract people to your offers is to give them a freebie. Something that they can take, use, download, and cost them not a red cent. Well, typically people give away ebooks. And with LeadsLeap, we have 2 ebooks that are already branded to your URL, already branded to your affiliate link. It's in the Learn section of the LeadsLeap dashboard. You'll see Learn. And you'll see 2 reports here, Insider Advertising Report and 1 Sign Up a Day. Both of those you can give away, and when you do, it's branded with your link. Let me give you an example. So we click on the link, 1 Sign Up a Day, and there's the ebook. Now, you can read it online just so you can see what it's like, or you can download it. When you download it, it's downloaded with your URL in the affiliate link. But let me show you. And when they read it online, let me show you here. We'll read it online. Okay, here's the book. You see that LeadsLeap? That's a hyperlink there. And if you look down, the bottom left-hand corner. Well, actually, let me do it differently because that was not with my link. So I'll take the link that you can give the people. This link right here. You can send the people to this link. I can get it highlighted. Okay, I'll open up a new tab. Okay. And the report will load up. This is a link that you can give people to read. They don't have to sign up for it, they can just get it. And then they have a choice of downloading it or reading online. If they read it online, we'll click on that. When they read it online, every link in the book, here's LeadsLeap, hyperlink. Look down in the bottom left-hand corner of my screen, and you will see it has my link and it has my my affiliate link in there. So if they click on this link, it's going to take them to that. And that'll work whether they read it online or they download. If they download the book, it's going to have it in there. So you don't have to have them sign up. I prefer to have them sign up for anything, because then I have their email address and I can follow up with them. So I made a little capture page using the LeadsLeap page manager, and just whatever wording that you put on there. But when they download it, then they'll get the book, and the book will have your information in there, so they can click on it. So that's one book. Then you've got another one called Insider Advertising Report. And same thing, okay? I highly recommend that you read this book. This book has a lot of good advertising ideas, secrets, and methods that really to your advantage. So, again, if you give it away, here's the URL right here. You would give it away, and when people read it and they click on the link, it goes to your affiliate link. So that's just 2 more things that you can use. You can promote those, get this free book. Like I said, you can make a capture page like I did, or you can just let them directly download it, directly read it, and your link is going to be in the book. So take advantage of these little tools, these little things that's available. And this particular 1 Sign Up a Day, this guy wrote this in 2008. He wrote it in 2008, but now it's an updated version. This is the 1 Sign Up a Day Strategy 2.0 updated. So people may have seen this report before, but this is a newer version from the original version. So that's just one other set of tools in the Learn section that are available to LeadsLeap members. So if you're not a LeadsLeap member, you should join. My link is down in the bottom in the description also if you need to join. So that's going to be it for today, and we hope you have a FOXtastic day and get out there and make some money. Take care, my friends.